UMapisa Nqakula utyunjwe liqela le-ANC kwintlanganiso yequgula yalombutho ekhawulezileyo ibikhwetywe namhlanje. I-ANC ithi lo kaMapisa Nqakula unamava, kodwa amanye amaqela aphikisayo akaxolanga.
How can the ANC nominate and support an individual whose track record is one of contempt of the very principles which Parliament seeks to uphold and promote?
Mapisa Nqakula failed as Minister of Defence. She is now going to receive a higher salary and will have a higher status.
As we speak, the Joint Standing Committee on Defence is investigating her allegedly extorting one of the service providers of the Defence Force. Therefore, she needs to be cleared by the Defence Force Committee.
The ACDP does not believe that Ms. Mapisa Nqakula is the best person to be Speaker of the National Assembly, given her recent lapses as Minister of Defence.
We just see here again the President of the country, as we said earlier, shuffling the decks and taking the same pack of cards and moving them around.
There are no real consequences for the poor performance that we saw and the contradiction of the President around the insurrection that took place.
Iqela le-EFF lisincomile isigqibo se-ANC sokutyumba owasetyhini.
They must deal with their own affairs as they see fit, and that's fine. The one thing we commend is the fact that they have not replaced a woman with a man, which is a very distasteful thing if they would have done that.
ePhalamende ithi kuza kubhengezwa kungekudala ukuba usomlomo omtsha uza kukhethwa nini emva kokuba ithethene ne-ofisi yentloko yejaji. Vuyani Green, weendaba ze-SABC, ePhalamende Kapa.